my wife.
Yes.
So my wife, she decided.
My wife decided to buy. Are you getting in this?
Just do it.
My wife decided she wanted a hand masking casting kit. So we can put our hands together, hold hands, you dip it in a bucket of plaster and it sets and you make a mould of your love for each other.
When you said she decided.
She decided.
Do you remember what it was for, why I got it?
Anniversary or something like that, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do remember.
10 years.
Yeah. 10-year anniversary. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So I'll show you how it all works anyway. And I'm a plasterer, so I know all about plastering. So what you do is you get this kit. Let me tell you how.
No.
So you get this bucket.
Just the wife.
She's just the wife. You get this bucket. This is really shitty content, I'm sorry, but so you get this hand casting kit. You get one lot of plaster that you mix up, put in there, and then you hold hands, dunk your hands in there until it's set. So let's do a little bit of that.
Right, ready for me to pour it in?
Seems like a lot of water. Let's just mix it in. I think that'll do. I don't think they expect you to mix it with a drill. They probably expect you to use some sort of kitchen thing. So that'll do. Right. So now we've just got to.
How long have we got to leave it for now?
Then we've got to go for it.
No, it's not straight away, surely.
Yeah. You go for it. Mix it and then just go for it.
I thought you said. Oh.
Well, you mix it for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Then submerge your hands, but you got to keep them in there for about 5
well,
minutes.
We've got to move this down. We're going to have to move.
We need to sit somewhere comfortable then.
We said it was going to be like that, didn't we?
Is that how we hold hands, yeah?
Yeah.
Just slam dunk the funk, yeah?
Ready?
Yeah.
Steady, go.
Oh, it's all right. Right. But you can't touch the bottom or the side, so...
Are you touching the bottom?
No.
Go down a bit more then. You can always pull out a bit. Like that?
Said the bishop, yeah. Yeah. You gotta be still.
I'm on tiptoes. Oh, I've got to be still then.
Yeah, it's like...
Is my thumb submerged in it?
Yeah, said the bishop. It's a romantic thing at the end of it, but the process is not that romantic, is it?
I'm going to rest my arm on the side of it like that to give it a bit more support.
Okay. I might dunk my old boy in it as well.
Don't make me laugh, Richard.
But I wasn't going to put me willy in it, but it says you're not allowed to touch the bottom. So that's going to be impossible.
It's got to start turning when it turns white, isn't it?
Turns
I didn't even put it on a timer.
Well, no, it's just when it turns white. You'll feel it when it's setting off. Just slam dunking the funk. Let me...
Keep still, you're moving.
Yeah, but I've got twitches.
I'm supporting my arms, so that will help you.
How's your day been, all right?
Yeah.
Had a nice day?
Yeah.
What have you been doing?
Nothing.
Netflix and chill?
Yeah.
It's all Netflix, no chill with you lately.
Yeah. You sure my thumb's submerged now? You're moving up and down because I can see the marks.
I'm slam dunking the funk. I'm all right. I'm staying still.
You're not.
Romance, eh?
Now you are.
Love is in the air.
Now you are. I can feel it pulling, can you? Changing it. Don't wiggle your finger.
Said the bishop.
Stop it.
All right, my love. All right, my love.
Oh, you can't do anything seriously.
I am. Your thumb's coming out of water. You're moving your hand. You ain't slam dunking the funk all the way down.
I've kept it. I've said to use my thumb in there. Oh, should I put in more?
I don't know. It's your thumb. It must turn like a bit of a jelly, mustn't it?
Yeah. It's turning white now.
Yeah, it's starting to go. But don't pull out yet. Oh, I can feel it tightening on my fingers.
Yeah.
Feels like I just put a donkey on.
Oh, fuck are you? Keep still.
I am.
I'm gutted my thumb's not all the way in. I did say to use my thumb.
Well, it is in. It is in, but...
I can feel it tightening up now.
Yeah, I can.
Stop moving.
We're going to have to walk about with this on. Ain't coming off. You have to go shopping with this on. Who's going to do the bibbing? be like them conjoined twins. I'll have to go poo with each other and all that. Mind you, this is my left hand. I can't wipe my bum with my right hand.
I'm getting to right mess, wouldn't you?
You will. You'll be swiping left and swiping right. It's just stiffening up now, isn't it?
Is it?
Mm.
Are you?
Said to me, yeah. It's lovely holding your hand.
Nice, isn't it?
Mm.
We should have put a timer on.
Why? Use your instincts. It says when it turns white, and I mean it has turned white, hasn't it?
We'll give it 1 more minute.
Right. I reckon it's time for me to pull out. Before I do something I regret. No, I'll tell you what, let me... Oh yeah, that's bloody gone, look.
Oh, I'll go first.
Go on then, gently does it. Oh, nice.
Well, that come out lovely. Go on then, you know you.
Oh yeah, baby.
That feels quite nice, doesn't it?
Feels like I've slam dunked my own funk. Yeah, I like it.
And apparently I think you've got to then, you have to chip away at the bits when it comes out.
Yeah, it's only them very, very light bits, though, look, because it's gone. It's completely like rubber now. It's like, it's still got a bit more to go, I think. Into the subject. So we'll put the whole thing in and that's it, push it into that. Right, my little loves.
Do you reckon that's done?
Yeah, hold on.
You have to like bang it at all or anything after to get the air bubbles in.
It's so liquidy, it will just fill up, I think. Just do all of it. Nice.
So that's it. So back there.
Yeah, just do a lot. Just might use it up.
No, because you'll have a film.
Yeah, but it might shrink. Plaster shrinks as it dries.
Did it say you put it all in?
Of course it does. That's it. If that starts shrinking as it's drying, you're not going to get the full effect. That's it. Right, just leave it for 4 hours now. Right, we'll come back when it's all done. Right, 4 hours later, and this should all be set. So I'll let the wife do the bits, pieces.
Did it say to tip it?
Well, yeah, you might just need to give it a little.
I'll give it a little tap on top.
Do you want me to give it a...
It's coming around.
Snip.
Did say just tip it out, didn't it?
Yeah, probably. Here's plaster on it and it's going to stick. That's it, it's gone now.
Hey.
Right, so I'll leave you to sort of break it open, I think.
We'll get the pots and put that in. Oh, I can see a little bit of look.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, this is nice. I like this.
Satisfying, isn't it?
Yeah.
I feel like you're destroying something legally.
It's like you're discovering treasure.
Yeah. Well, with my old hands, it is like a fossil. A dinosaur, aren't I? Look at that.
Ah, look.
Wow, it's worked well. Good for kids. Kids would love this, wouldn't they? Put both their hands in it. Let me get a bit more closer up with this. You're missing all the good stuff, aren't you?
Oh, I can see your
You
ring.
can see my middle finger sticking up. Oh,
I
yeah.
can see all your finger. Oh, look at my little fingers. Oh, wow. Oh, look.
Yeah, that's just a little...
Oh, that's the,
You're going to get some little breakout, aren't you, where the edges were and stuff.
to put it on anyway.
Mm.
Oh wow.
Might be a little thing into the brush even. That's it. What is that? Just a little bit of. You just scrape that. Yeah. So there we have it. Different version of plaster in there, but all plaster nonetheless. That's all good stuff.